I usually turn off the vibrator. So, boys, when we turn this on, we had 2 floats.
Yep.
And your hands are dirty. Stay away. Yeah.
That's why I'm only going to grab the handle.
I have the gloves over there. I'll get it. But
I'm not putting my hand in there if we're going to lift it up.
I'll get it. Hold on. I got those gloves to do that. That's why I grabbed those. Because they were sitting here and they were rubbery. And I was like, oh, that'll work.
It's my extra set for here.
Okay. I didn't know you have landscaping gloves. You wet willing me with greasy fingers? Why you spit when you could use lube?
Yeah. Well, that's what I said.
Scotty says spit is lube, though.
2050.
Hey, look. So, one float is floating.
It looks really good.
Look at that.
Hey.
But the other one, it sunk our battleship.
Burnsy, grab the other handle.
Darlings.
3, 2, 1.
We sink our battleship.
Lift your end up higher, Burnsy.
Don't go too high because the shit will dump out of the basket. Oh, it might be stuck under this though. Hang on. Let's do take 2. Put it back in. Let's see if it floats or not. All right, never mind. Crisis averted. It was underneath something. But thank God. We opened it and Scotty's like, where'd the other float go? I'm glad we're special sometimes, but it's okay. Back to vibrating.